Hey everybody, it is me, Karen Bagley, owner of Significant Moments Photography, and today I wanted to talk about my favorite lens. This right here is my Canon 11-24, and it is my favorite lens of all times. And I think it's a little, well, I don't want to use the word underrated, but people definitely shy away from using this lens because it is wider and it can cause some distortion. But my portrait photography, I actually love to use it. So the reason that I love this lens so much is because I have developed a style where I like to capture all of the landscape around my subjects. So if I'm photographing at a huge mansion, I want to catch the pillars, I want to catch the trees coming in. That is the style that I have developed, and that is now what I am most known for. And when it comes to underwater, this is also my favorite lens because when you're underwater, you want to be able to capture everything that's going on. The sky, sometimes the sea floor, depending on the depth of the water that you're in, and this is the lens to do it. Now, while you do need to be mindful of where your subject is placed, because yes, there is some distortion, which of course can be fixed in post-production, to some degree, you still have to be mindful of where your subject is placed and making sure that there's no hands or feet or head that's too close to the edge, because then it looks 18,000 times bigger than what it actually is. But don't be afraid to try those wider lenses. You might be surprised what they come up with. Here's a few shots that I've taken using my 11-24.